Krispy Kreme to get me some donuts from. So we have one raspberry cheesecake, one strawberry powder, one Oreo, one maple, and one chocolate sprinkle with an iced vanilla latte. It's for lunch. Chocolates. Soda. Nice birthday card. Honeydew. Now I'm heading to Red Lobster to get me some crab carbonara and strawberry breeze for dinner. What a cute little free birthday ice cream. Strawberry puree, lemonade, mint, and Sprite. So they just took strawberry lemonade, added some Sprite to it, and topped it off with a mint leaf and called it a new creation. This is the first time I've seen the birthday candle lit for longer than 5 seconds. What happens if you don't blow it out? Is it just going to keep melting down to the bottom? And where is the wax disappearing to? What kind of science is candles? I guess a candle has its limits. This is as far as it went.